We are staying at the Intercontinental Hotel here in Miami, and we just got to our room after about a between 14 and 14 and a half hour drive. So I wanted to share with you guys what this room looked like, because we actually were upgraded. We booked just a city view, and wait until you see this view. I'm gonna flip you around so you can see. Alright, so this is what it looks like when you first walk in. It's just a normal standard room. Alright, and then we're going to walk down here. So here is the little mini bar. Here you have a Keurig maker. You have some things that you can purchase. So the first one you can purchase is this phone charger and travel adapter. If we don't need one, you can purchase Evian, Pringles, peanut M&Ms, which we do not need. But they have like a mini bar price list here, and we can just scan it. So, and it states here that items have been individually sanitized, which is good. And then you open up this little cabinet here, and again, here's a mini bar. So if you want to, you know, purchase these, it's fine. Of course, we are not purchasing them. Oh, Fireball. I don't need Fireball. But you can get cranberry juice. They have Twix. More, it looks like Evian. Yep, more Evian bottles. Buc-ee's came with us. So you can get Twix. Looks like maybe malt, like Whoppers there. We just picked this up at Buc-ee's, but it's really good. Juice, you can get beer, Coke, Diet Coke. Looks like bottles of wine, which we are not doing. So again, you have to pay for that. And then your ice bucket and your glasses. These glasses are nice. I might take them. No, I won't take them home. You have nice artwork. And then this is the main room. So this is the bedroom. It's a king-size bed. So you have these nice lamps. You have a thermostat here. You have a nice full-size mirror. Hey everyone. Along with like probably something that you can use this to get ready with in the mornings. I can't even think of what this is. Remote control is sanitized, and in that little baggie, you have some drawers here. That's has very like Art Deco-y. Again, you have a wonderful big screen TV that actually has our name on it. A nice little table, a nice little desk area. Some more pretty cool artwork. A nice like little lounge area that you can chill out at. And then best yet, guys, which we were not expecting. We were upgraded, guys. So I don't know if you can see out there or not. Probably not, just because of all the reflection. I'll actually show this in the morning, but we can actually see. Can we still see it out there? Oh, I think it sailed away. What? So you can actually, I don't know if you can see out there or not, there's a Carnival ship sailing away. So that's actually kind of cool, because I was like, it was just right there, but it's sailing away. So Jason just found this.
There's a control panel right here.
There is a control panel right here. We don't know what it was. Watch this. We need this at our house. 9:30. So we have about an hour, and both of us are hungry. When we stopped off at Buc-ee's, I got a, trying to think of it. I got a pork pulled sandwich. It was not Carolina style, so I wasn't really a big fan of it. So I'm a little bit hungry now. And Jason was actually on his way over to go see if we could check out. Can we check out late? Okay. 2 p.m. Okay. Well, we'll check out an hour before. So, what type of drink did you get?
I don't even know. I just got a beer. It's called
Probably on that side.
La Rubia.
La Rubia.
It's a La Rubia Blondero.
It has sparkling Moscato, but I'm gonna take medicine, so I don't wanna drink because I'm hurting. How is it?
That's interesting.
I don't drink beer because it has wheat in it, so I can't. Although I'm gonna eat it.
It's got a familiar flavor to it, but I can't place it.
Really? My Coke tastes like Coke. I might
You might what?
ask them for like a water too, because I'm really. So, but this is actually a really nice, like.
Starbucks is over there.
Yeah, so that's so cool right there. The ToroToro right there.
No, it's right behind you.
Well, but there's a thing right there. And then the Starbucks is over there, which I'll probably hit up in the morning. But you guys, this is a beautiful, beautiful hotel. Very expensive and very elite looking.
Obvious.
Alright guys, so this is dinner for us. We both got the same thing. Got the ToroToro burger with these amazing french fries. Let me tell you, they taste amazing. And then I just got a water to go along with my dinner because I've had way too much soda today. So water it is. It looks like they're like nightly cruises or whatnot.
What?
It looks like it's like nightly cruises or whatnot.
That's the valet.
Yeah. So this is so cool. Because this is basically right over there. Is where we're gonna be. Whoa. Oh, that's cool. It's a breast cancer.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so stinking cool. Wanna walk down this way?
Oh, that's a big boat.
Oh, wow.
See the water?
Yeah. I bet in the morning it's like, oh my God, it's so like crystal clear still. I wonder if one of those are the buildings I see in Dexter. So stupid. Or it's probably down that way.
You see him right there?
Yeah, holy smoke. What type of fish are you, dude? That is a huge fish.
I know.
I mean, even here, you can even see how blue the water is. No.
You can see the shadows of them swimming in the water below. You might be able to see them in the morning.
Probably. Over there, guys. That's where we're going tomorrow. Super excited, too. Yeah. Look at the moon. This actually shoots really good at dark. Yeah.